what is the best subject field to choose as a beginner in the field of seeking Islamic knowledge in the Islamic University of Madinah, because I have been granted a chance to study there. I mean, what should I take? Sharia, Aqeedah, Qur'an, Hadith, Arabic, Jazakumullah Khairan, Ya Sheikh. It is because all of my family members are non-Muslims and I am the only one who accepted Islam and I am the only one who is studying Islam here in our place. Kindly give me some guidance. I am the youngest in our siblings, 19 years old. Chris Segara from Philippines, mashallah, he accepted Islam and he's been granted admission in the Islamic University of Madinah, which is one of the best Islamic universities for studying Islam in the world. And all his family members are non-Muslims. He's asking what should he take? Should he take Sharia or Hadith or Tafsir, etc.? Studying in Madinah, taking bachelor's in any of the Islamic studies is good, mashallah. But if given the choice, I personally advise that if you want to be a da'i, whichever field you take, no problem. But the best amongst all available, I advise to take bachelor's in Sharia. First, but naturally, you have to do 2 years of Mahad, that's learning Arabic language. And after you finish your Mahad in Arabic, which is compulsory for all, you're 19 years old, you'll have to learn Arabic as a language for 2 years. And after you finish the Arabic course, then I would request you that you should join Sharia. There is even Tafsir of the Qur'an, there is Hadith, then there is also Usuluddin. But I personally prefer Sharia because Sharia includes Tafsir, Hadith as well as Fiqh. And especially for knowing the reasons of why the rulings are there in Islam and the fatwas and the Fiqh, Sharia is my first choice. So normally I prefer advising people Sharia, and then after that you can either take Tafsir or Hadith, there's no problem, and the last would be Usuluddin. But the first choice, if you get admission, preferably I would advise you to take Sharia, because that includes studying Tafsir of the Qur'an, includes studying Hadith, and also includes Fiqh. And when you learn Fiqh, you have the knowledge of how to give arguments and what are the reasons and skills which will help you, more helpful for Dawah. You can do Dawah even with Tafsir, even with Hadith, etc. But Sharia would be the first option, inshallah. I pray to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala that may He grant you knowledge and make you a good da'i, so that you can convey the message to your family members, to your friends and your other non-Muslim colleagues. And may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give you Jannat al-Firdaus and accept your efforts in His way.